Good morning, children. So, today I will take chapter 2, the subject of moral science. So, today in my chapter 2, it is honesty. Chapter 2. So, this is our concern in this particular subject. So, when we speak of honesty, what does it mean? See, that child is not honest, that girl is not honest. When we say, what does it mean? Simply, in simple words, we can say honesty means not telling truth, not telling lies. So, honesty means being truthfulness. Being truthfulness. Honesty means the meaning is being truthful. Being truthful or telling truth, not telling lie, not telling lie. So all these are different meaning the same thing. So honest, a person is honest when he doesn't tell false things or he doesn't cheat. So this is being truthful, telling truth, not telling lie. All these are there. Okay, so in other words, we can say truth. Honesty means integrity, justness, truthfulness, loyalty, faithfulness, and fidelity. All these are there. Okay. So, children, when we are studying this particular topic or chapter, it should always remind us when we tell something to elders or either in the classroom or in our families. We have to always remember that we should not tell lie. We should always tell truth. So that is the meaning. Okay. Now, just to warm up ourselves, what this honesty means in different context. See, warm up. Now to warm up. There are different meanings. Number 1 point. Be truthful in what you say and do. Be truthful. Be truthful, as I wrote. Be truthful as what you say and do. Number 2 point. Honesty is the best policy. We remember honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Why do we say honesty is the best policy? See? Okay. Next, third point. Honesty is the first chapter of the book Wisdom. Then, next. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. Only tell the truth, no need to remember anything. Next, a half truth is a whole lie. So a half truth, if you tell some part of truth, it is a whole lie. You are not telling, or you are hiding the truth. Then, a lie may take care of the present but has no future. Only in the present moment you can see it has no future at all. You cannot tell in future lie again of that particular event or incident. Next, I never lie because I don't fear anyone. Next one, truth fears no question. Then, when truth is divided, error multiplies. Last point, treat others the way you would like to be treated. See, treat others as you would like to be treated. So if you want respect from others, you have to respect others. If you want to receive gratitude, thankfulness from others, you have to thank them also. So it is treat others the way you would be treated. You would like to be treated. So it is like same way we have to behave equally. If you want some respect, you have to respect the other person. You cannot expect without giving respect to others. You cannot expect that you will be receiving respect. Okay. So children, now instead I am coming to the text proper. Now, see the first passage, first paragraph. Honesty is when we speak the truth and act truthfully. So that is the meaning. I have written. We tell honest. We have to be we have to act honest, truthfully. We have to act truthfully, no lie. Next line. Many of us think that honesty means don't tell a lie. Yes, it is definitely part of being honest, but honesty means more than not lying. Much more deeper meaning. If you go, it is not only telling this one truth, but much more than that it goes. See, next meaning. A more complete sense of honesty is that an honest person does not do things that are morally wrong. Morally wrong, see morally wrong things. See, ethically, which is morally, it is right, and it comes with the judgment. It is morally, by itself, the action is wrong. So, when we judge the action, it tells us whether the action is right or wrong. So, morally, it is wrong. By itself, the action is wrong. So, when we judge from this point of view. So, it tells about good or bad things. Morally wrong or good or bad. Either the action is good or the action is bad. So, when you tell lie, when you tell false things, it is automatically bad. So, accordingly, God also will judge morally. By nature, that telling lie is not good at all. Okay. Next passage. And dishonest person is not trusted by anyone. Person one who is dishonest, one who is liar, and one who cheats others, that person will not be believed. He cannot be trusted by anyone. People will not believe. Rather, they will tell this person is a liar. This person is a liar because he tells lie or the false stories to others. Next. That is why parents, teachers and elders always tell us to be honest. Therefore, when we are in the class, teachers tell us that be honest. Parents also tell us be honest. Don't tell lies, don't tell false things. So, we need to be a honest person or a student. Next one. Never cheat anybody. If you promise, keep it. Being honest means you admit to your actions. So, when you perform any action, if you have cheated, you should tell, I am sorry, I have cheated or I have told lie. Don't try to pretend that no, this is not my mistake. Tell the truth, don't avoid it. Okay, one more thing. Next passage. Honesty is considered as the best tool of success in the life, and a famous person said it as a backbone of the successful relationship which has capability to form a well-developed society. So what happens, children? See, well-developed society now, for the good society, we need to have good people. For good society, we need to have good people. Good people we need to have good people. Then only society can be good. Otherwise, no. All liars and field in the society, everything will become somewhat, it will not go well. People will be telling lies, nobody will be telling truth. So, in order to form a good society, we need to have good people in the society. So, people with good character, good character. People with good character, good behavior, a disciplined person, honest person, faithful person, those who have always tell truthfulness, those who are loyal to the society. Yeah? So, we need to have this type of people for a better society. Okay, children, I will continue. Thank you.